What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over a Bitcoin catastrophic dump, bringing us down to our wave 2 pullback zone that we've been predicting since we were at 25K, as well as the Dow Jones broke down as we've been covering and looking for. So we're going to get into that. Currently, we're sitting at 20.2, down 7.5 on the day. See, market cap is 389 billion. 24-hour volume 41.21 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, grab up to 8K in bonuses or buy it up to 30K in bonuses. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into BTC. So to simplify things, I had to do a little bit of a recount here. We've been looking for a wave 2 pullback in between, 18 to 19K since we're up here at 25K. We shorted the top. I already took my profits, locked it in, and we've come down to our wave 2 pullback zone. So we have a 5-wave move off the low into a wave 1, wave A, wave B up. I was looking for that right shoulder, but as you can see, we just dumped here. So you have a wave A down, there's your wave B, and I think you're coming down in your wave C. And right now you've put in the wave 3 of the wave C. If you take a fib extension from the top of the wave 1 to the bottom to the top of the wave 2, you can see we came right down to the 1.618, which is typical of a wave 3. So if we do start to bounce from here, we're oversold on the 1 hour, on the day, on the 4 hour, and on the daily. So a bounce from here, you'd be looking for a wave 4 pullback to take you in between the 0.236 and the 0.5, which is currently coming in 20.2K, the 0.5 at 21.1 in a wave 4, and then the final wave 5 to potentially complete the wave C, to complete the wave 2. Now, if we break below 17.3K, the 78.6% fib level, it becomes unlikely that this is a wave 2, and it would open up the doors to come back down and retest the lows at 15K. If we break them, it invalidates a wave 2 and quite possibly come down to 12K. Now, until we break the 0.786, we can remain bullish. We could definitely have a good chance that this is a wave 2 pullback, but what we want to see is a 5-wave move off the wave 2 zone. So you come up in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that will give you stronger confirmation that you're going to start to push up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that large wave 3 to the upside. Now, if we lose 17.3K, I have been showing this chart weeks ago and been talking about it in my videos, the possibility that this is an ABC flat correction into a wave 4. Wave 2s are, the wave 2 was steep, which usually leads the wave 4 being flat, which is exactly what we've seen. So there is potential that we put in an ABC, we pushed up in a 5-wave move in a C and a flat, and now you're going to come down in a wave 5 that could take you down to 12K. Now 18 to 19K is very strong support. I talked about us coming back down to this level in the wave 2, and that will give you your best opportunity to bounce and for the bulls to put in that wave 3. So what we want to see is a 5-wave move off that level of support, and that could start to confirm that you're going to put in a wave 3 to the upside. However, if we break this support and we lose the 0.786, strong likelihood you're going to come all the way down to 12,000. So 17.3 is the support to watch. Now, I talked about us coming back down to 19.1 and this ascending support line. I was looking for that right shoulder. Obviously, that didn't play out, but we have been looking for price to come down to this strong support, to bounce off this ascending support line. And excuse me, how rude. And we'll continue to see this ascending triangle pattern. We bounce, come back up to this resistance, probably get rejected, come back down, potentially come back down to 21K, which would be the wave 2 of the larger wave 3, and then break out and see continuation to the upside. That's the best case scenario. That's the bullish scenario. We're oversold on the 4 hour, definitely could see a bounce relatively soon, and the 1 day bearish divergence has played out. We talked about it's coming all the way back down to oversold on the RSI, on the money flow. I still think we're going to come down to 19K, potentially 18K. Allow these to come down into oversold, and that will give us a good opportunity to see that bounce. So that's basically it for this one. The Dow Jones played out exactly as we've been predicting. We've been looking for a breakdown, retested the daily EMA, saw the rejection as we predicted, and we broke down from this descending triangle. So we could see continuation all the way down to 30.8K, which will continue to be negative for the price of BTC. In the short term, look for that wave 4. Looks like we've already pushed up to the minimum target. Let me zoom in here. Yeah, we've already pushed up to the minimum target of 20.2K. Can push all the way up to 21.1. To maintain a wave 4 pullback, see the wave 5 down. Take you down to about 18.5K in my opinion, and potentially complete the wave 2 if we're lucky. If we break 17.3, it's good night. Good likelihood we're coming back down to retest 15K and could head down to about 12,000. But until then, we'll focus on hopefully putting in a wave 2 and seeing continuation to the upside. Good to wait for that 5-wave move to start adding to your HODL positions, as it will give you stronger confirmation of a reversal and potentially putting in that wave 3. All right, gang, so that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses, email me or sign up. Email completely, free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, recently locked in juicy gains on our Matic and Ethereum shorts, on our Bitcoin Ethereum shorts from the peaks. Locked in those profits, took a very small Matic long that got stopped out. That's just how the way it goes. Crypto news, member profits, they're posting their profits in here. Mahalo alt plays, as you can see, they're making some juicy gains. They like to post their own trade signals as well. And Mahalo alt plays coming in at $10 per month. Sign up through the Patreon link. You really can't beat it. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care. Smash the like button. All right. Peace.